What is CPD Online? CPD Online refers to any activities, courses or training programs that take place online, which contribute to an individual's CPD profile. The most obvious examples of which are online courses and distance learning programs, but can also mean online seminars, webinars, lectures, research, publishing articles, and so on. Enroll now with cpdcourses.com. Study in your own time and at your own pace, with full tutor support whenever you need it. When you study with cpdcourses.com, there are no deadlines, no time restrictions, and no classroom visits required. We offer hundreds of fully endorsed CPD courses, delivered across multiple subject areas. Advanced writing skills, change management, coaching and mentoring, executive management, health and safety, performance management, personal development, retail management, teaching assistant, and many more. Take your CPD to the next level with our fully endorsed CPD courses. Don't delay, start today. Contact us. Email info@cpdcourses.com. Website cpdcourses.com. Facebook facebook.com/cpdcourses. Twitter twitter.com/cpdcoursesuk.